Hey guys, it's Marcus from Diecast World, and today we have a treasure hunt and super treasure hunt for long card, two same models. So we have see a difference between a treasure hunt and super treasure hunt. So let's unboxing and review these cars. So the first, let's have an open treasure hunt. Now, super treasure hunt. There is the old cards, so you don't see the treasure hunt logo, circle with flame, silver or gold, because the old cards didn't have it. So the different is green strip and T hunt. That's mean you find treasure hunt. T hunts and the symbol S is like dollar symbol, or treasure hunts with this symbol. That's mean you find a treasure hunt. So that's the previous. At all, you can find the video how to recognize super treasure hunt and treasure hunt on the top corner right now. And let's have a look. This beauty super treasure hunt. So it's the quality well. You see this as well. Both of them.